Hey, in this video, I will show you how to turn on AirDrop over internet function. It's a new function that we have on iOS 17.1. So the first thing you want to do, and that I did, is go over to your settings, then click on General right here. You want to click on Software Update, and you want to make sure you have iOS 17.1 or a newer version. So you want to make sure you have the latest version of iOS. I just did that to show you in this video. The next thing you want to do is when you are in settings, you want to click on General. From there, you want to navigate to AirDrop. And here you actually have the use mobile data or use cellular data. If you're in the US, it might say that. And if you have this option on right here, it says continue to send and receive content when Wi-Fi is not available during AirDrop. So this is how you set it up. You want to have it enabled if you want to turn on AirDrop over internet. If this video helped you out, give me a like. If you still have any questions whatsoever, let me know in the comment section down below, and I would love to help you out. See you next one.